pau pizari. Haithoi singthoi raba naha kaya puthokuna Act East policy ki kanaba mapung phana lohhona ba hotna ba tangai phade haina Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah na haikre. Amadi BJP na lengakpa state singi manungda Chief Minister N Biren na khwaidagi phaba Chief Minister ni haina India Today ki political stock exchange ki report na hairi. Khurumzari meeting tabiriba singbu taram noksari pau sandok nan pizari. Hiram kayada trend tauraba haithoi singthoi raba naha kaya puthoktuna Act East policy ki kanaba mapung phana lohhona ba hotna ba tangai phade haina Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah na ngasi Assembly ki auditorium da pangthokpa skilling the youth in the wake of India's Act East policy from Northeast perspective Hybrid training program hogdopagi thoram da haikre integrated talent development mission sindana pangthokpa thoram adu da governor na makha tana haikibada lising aniga kun phawbagi manungda India na prithibi da sel thumgi phibam da khwaidagi saukhatpa leibak ama oinana ba pandam thamli Act East policy da India gi northeastern region gi state sing asi yamna maru oiba gateway ama oiri masida Manipur na tourism yauna local enterprises traditional artisan amadi craftsmen hena promote taunana ba tongan ba scheme kaya paikhatli haiki.
Economic empowerment of traditional artisans and craftsmen needed for promotion of traditional art and craft of Manipur, as well as economic upliftment of traditional artisans and craftsmen. I strongly believe that all the academics, researchers, practitioners, scholars and industry experts who are participating in this seminar will have ample opportunity to exchange and share their views for skill development of the youth in the wake of India's Act policy. I wish all of you a great success.
Training program hogdopagi thoram aduda Deputy Speaker K. Robindro Integrated Talent Development Mission ki patron Dr. Swaran Anil Susaruk yaki Deputy Speaker K. Robindro na atenba matam kharagi manungda Manipur da law and order ki phibam phagatuna achauba ahongba ama lakliba asida nahasingna kanaba lausi Act East policy ki makhada leiriba scheme amadi policy singbu khangduna masigi kanaba phanghona ba honaduna saukhatpa leibak ama oihansi haiki.
We can see many differences. After 15 years, right now in Manipur, something has changed. Something has come to normalcy. And right now, we would like to all the youth to take this opportunity to develop our region, even the northeastern part of Manipur. As we all know that
News TV channel nama oiriba India Today gi political stock exchange ki report matung ina leibak asigi manungda BJP na lengakpa state singi chief minister singi manungda Manipur gi chief minister N Biren na khwaidagi phaba chief minister ni haina report tauri amaromda India gi oina rajniti dol gi wa khatanatana khwaidagi miyam na yaba chief minister singi manungda Manipur gi chief minister N Biren na ahum subada leire haina report tauri India Today exists my India poll gi report matung ina mioi sada yankhai manga na yaba maram na Odisha gi chief minister Nabin Patnaik na India gi khwaidagi phaba chief minister manga gi manungda makokta leire West Bengal gi chief minister Mamata Banerjee na miyam na yabagi sang sada yankhai humdoi da leiduna ani shubada amadi miyam na yabagi sang sada yankhai ni thoi oiduna chief minister N Biren na ahum suba oire haina report asina palle Amaromda BJP na lengakpa state singi chief minister singi oinadi khwaidagi phaba chief minister gi manungda N Biren ahanba makokta leire haina India Today exists my India poll gi report ki matung ina hairi Arunachal Pradesh ki chief minister Pema Khanduna Mari Suba amasung Gujarat ki Vijay Rupani na manga subada leire haina report asana makhatari
5 chief ministers of India. So you've got Vijay Rupani from Gujarat. This is rank number 5 at 48%. So the Gujarat Chief Minister is relatively new to his job once again. So he's at number 5. Then there is Arunachal Chief Minister Pema Khandu, who comes in at number 4 with a 51% approval rating. That's at number 4, the Arunachal Chief Minister, newly elected into the BJP. Then at rank number 3 is Biren Singh, once again newly inducted into the BJP, 52%. That's from the state of Manipur. He's a footballer and showed us some dribbling moves when we were with him at the East Conclave. Coming in at number 2, and this is very significant because no matter what you may think of Mamata Banerjee's popularity or her politics, she is at this time in her state the second most popular chief minister nationally. That really is some achievement. She's been in power for a long time now. Despite that, 53% of the respondents want her back as minister once again. That shows how formidable a leader she is. And I doff my hat to the man on your screen now, Naveen Patnaik. He doesn't give any of us the time of day. He doesn't need to. Because in his state, which is where it matters, and that's really the only thing that matters,
Chingda umang kokthokpagi maruoiba maramdi atopa lamdagi saidanglakpa mioi masing hengalakpadagi ni haina Forest and Environment Minister T. Shyam Kumar na phongdokre. Wafamasi Andro Khunauda MLA Local Area Development Fund dagi saba water supply scheme amadi Andro Khunau Nung Yungbi Youth Club ki sanglen sangabagi thoromda magna phongdokhibani. Thorom maduda Andro gi khulakpa CS Gandhar Andro Nagar Panchayat ki chairperson Y Sajau Bakhuman amadi atai masak naiba mioi kya su saruk yakhe. Shyam Kumar na makha tana Singda amadi Chingyada leiba mioi sing masagi chinggi lam nungsiba mahausani makhoigi ka hena umang kokthokpagi thabak chathade atopa lamdagi saidanglakpa mioi singna hena umang kokthoi turel amadi patta leiba ising sing asi singdagi sentharakpa ngaktani umang yokhatuna mahusagi khal kaihandana thamba ngambata natana ising phanghanbadasu chawna mateng pi lagliba December thadagi Androgi yu local market ta phanglaroi mapalamda thadoklagani haikhi
Kungang asyama kungang sina magi chingi amadi patu yang nungsibi bisa kanganeba ada magi nungsibi sagona mena madu kasi soning weba aduna akoi migraine haitare akoi lamnar me amna khunda sakpa jaga sina lamdam nungsibi khangweba adu umangong si kokthokkaneba aduna I appeal to media those migrant also please save the environment me environment kan yobiyo matam mafam leibiyo matam dagi nungai ba lobiyo natadana akoi ki ayum hongdele mafam phangai khalaga umangda baksana kokthakanda khoi aigi lamne claim tawng ngam aduna khoi nomajing singda sona kana khoi na eviction tawng khoi thugai bol lo thoi myam si aduna hoji ko iba myam sing asi ji thable hore ayam na ji thaju thagali aduna after some 4-5 years khoi phadana khoi gi natural hobo dawna khoi project to phadana u hobo phangane ba
Rap and POXO Perspectives Investigation and Aspects of Trial Haiba Thimda SP Imphal West Amadi Prosecution Branch Manipur Anina Khusam Naduna Workshop Ama First MR Gi Banquet Hall the Pangthokre Workshop to the District and Sessions Judge Imphal West M Manoj Kumar District and Sessions Judge Imphal East Gaifui Silu Gonmai CWC Imphal West ki chairperson Ireng Bam Bikram Zed Manipur State Commission for Women ki member Dr. Farida Amadi RIMS ki Forensic Department ki Professor Dr. T.S. Mirana workshop adu dawangangki District and Sessions Judge Imphal West M Manoj Kumar na Rape amadi POXO case asi yamna maru oiba case singi manungda amani case asibu paiba IO singna charge sheet matam sana court ta yohanba mathau tai court ta lankhat kadaba charge sheet adu prosecution na traga senior officer singda panduna laikhiba matamda IO aduna thawai yauna file adu court ta puthokna naba matam punamakta thawai yauna honagadabani Supreme Court ki yathang matung ina aruba case ta IO singna mathau da masak khangdrabadi investigation officer oiriba mioi adugi mathakta matik chaba action logadabani haiba rule lay investigation officer singna court ta charge sheet ama langkhatringai mamangda asoiba yaukhidanaba mathak thongba officer sing kupna tana hogadabani court ta charge sheet langkhatkhre haiduna IO singna tumin khak lairoidabani witness sing trial satharingaida IO sing susaruk yaduna case adubu athubada loishinna ba honabada mateng panggadabani Manipur da forensic science ki matik saba infrastructure leitabana aruba case lakpada Kolkata da thanari masi matam yamna sangbani case ama loishinna ba honabada awaba kaya mayok nei haikhi
Metal witnessing low matam delay when a matam low hibase message was suspicion ya so ba view amani Supreme Court High Court ruling myam aduna mayamna khangbigadupsi court si aija choiserbasu decision ja ambai to lobu ya gi pm lakpale aina mana haibsi thajik hena lobusu ya ba thajaru hena su lobu ya ba pabdinga sai lai ba circumstances aduna
Dynamic Manipur amadi Communication and Capacity Development Unit PHED na sinduna Sustainable Lifestyle Waste Free haiba thimda ngasi Inspirational Episode 14 Classic Grande da pangthokre thoromaduda Langai Project Nongpok Sanjenbam gi CEO Telem Arun Kumar JS Plastic Agency gi proprietor Sadokpam Ibotombi yauna mioi kyana saruk yaki Sadokpam Ibotombi na ngasi mioi bazati na sizinariba potlam sing asi mafam sana thamduna amukhana recycle tawraga atopa pot ama oina sizinaba yai haiki
Jumsan per head share. Only India 9.7 ka oiba. Aduga developing country ko adudi 109 per kilo consumption oi per head. Aduna jo chocolate ibada lamjan tanari banina. Asuk yamna chocolate ke habda de jo asuk yamna sinar kadunina. Bin system je pajana sinaraga. Ki Manipur sisu plastic free oi ibada mateng pahanu yamna darkani. Plastic ban hariba mi person ado. Aduna ngasi tume hogola kodamana what the use of this banned plastic aduna alternative way ma thiraga upai letrabo botu di akoina haidi recycle tawraga afaba phomdon thopasina si kwaidi solution ogani
Cookie Welfare Association Langol gi Silver Jubilee gi thoram Langol da pangthokre thoram maduda Water Resources Department ki Minister Letpau Haukip MP Thangso Baite ADGP P Dongel Yaung Cookie Luchingba kaya na saruk yaki Minister Letpau Haukip na Cookie Welfare Association saukat thorangi thabak kaya laukat pinaba pisal lakhiba memorandum aduda sarkar gi maikai dagi paikhat payaba thabak sing paikhat kani haiba gi thazaba miyam da pikhi National Institute of Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities Parivar National Confederation of Parent Organization amadi Parents Association for Differently Able Manipur na sinduna Manisuba Regional Parents Meet listing tara nipan ngasi mongsangay de leiba BP Pol Mental Development Home da pangthokre thoromaduda Manipur Pollution Control Board ki Chairman L Radha Kishore Amzugi Hanagi President Wangkhemcha Samjai yaung na mioi kya na saruk yaki Parivar gi President and Bizurna Intellectually Disabled oiraba angang singbu mama mapa singna achoba thodang lauduna matik saba mi amamam oina na bahona haningi haiki
0 to 4 years, 5 years, 6 years की एज में हमारे दिमाग में मेंदू में there is something called mental plasticity उसको यूज़ करके हम जो उनको नहीं आता है या जो जिसके अंदर उसकी कमी है उसको बहुत पूरा किया जा सकता है कि ऐसे बच्चों को अर्ली इंटरवेंशन सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाए जिसमें ऑक्यूपेशन थेरेपी होती है फिजियोथेरेपी होती है स्पीच थेरेपी होती है ये सब यदि इनको दिया जाए तो ये आगे बढ़ेंगे
Loktak Pata Numidangi Matamda LED bulb thanduna nga bhabagi thabak sa tharakpa asina pat asida nga leibagi sang hanhan batanatana pat asida matam-matamgi sakta balakliba miramdagi pairakpa ujek yauna lamdam asigi mahusadagi lejaraklaba ujek sing saktaba ngamdre lengakna compensation piduna pat manungda phum thabagi thabak sathaba yaroi haikhrabasu haujik nongna amuk pat asida atha phum paktak nana thabagi thabak sa tharakliba asi mari leinaba singna midyeng sangbagi tangai phadaba leire haina kumam lekai ngami law cooperative Society Limited Moirangi Maikai digi Fongdorakli Luki General Secretary Kumam Rajen na haikibada Pat asida athingba leina athaphum kaya thazilakpa asina Pat asi hanagi phibamda oirakpa yabagi mawngda lakle athuba matamda sangai festival hodringai gi mamangda lengak na mityeng sangbiu haiki
Sarkarna phum thariba miyoi singsira chen piraga phum thaba yaroi hana kakhare haujingna muk phum kanna thagalai 2017 dagi phum thaba hogale si karamba sarkarna ayaba pibino amasung department na ayaba piba laikhibra sarkarna athubu matamda miyeng jangsin biraktragadi loktak pa che mutkiba tare loktak pa mut khargadi phum na phungphun phul dana mutlabadi akoi kami singju loina mutlani sangai festival yodribe mamang sida miyeng jangsilaga moi LD balap thanba amadi phum thari sing ja thu matamda lokthok piu haina hajani
Fisheries Department ki Additional Director S. Biramani Kauba Mioi Ama Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police na ngarang Nauremthong Laishram Lairak area dagi lupa lakh ahum henbagi senfam .32 gi pistol ani maru marifu mari amadi sana sannifu henbaga konana fare hairi Paugi maraktatna aten babre amatang lagzari
Manipur da amata ngairaba organic outlet ta phangba organic ki pothok sing sizinasi.
Combined tutorials for CBSE, the largest CBSE tutorial center in Manipur. Admission opens for revision. Class 12 CBSE 3 months revision course. Class 9 and 10 CBSE 3 months revision course. Class starting from 8 October 2018. Van service. Hostel available for boys and girls. Combined tutorials for CBSE. Sagwabal Moirang Lerik Bachin Bus Parking.
Lengsin Viraksi, Bless Manipur 2018. Lag lebo October ki tang tara nipan. Dumidang wairam pung mari makai. Ibo yai masumang lila sanglen konung lampak infal. Manipur miyam gidamak amasung anayek sing gidamak isogi manay na pratna tawjagani. Thajabiu anak pathok kadori.
Jolip 100% natural syrup. Amasung capsule. Yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi kuchu sengaktaba haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungairakta singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu
Imphal East ki Kongpan Chanam lekai da leiba NT Enterprises hana MLA oiramba TH Nandi ki sorgi yumda hekta lakpiraga GKE rickshaw book tawbiba yaragani loinana pollution thondaba thaugi darka leitraba so askidamak bank loan oina su phongbigani hana lakpada hena khudong chabi pijari akopa marol 8974002140 da phongbigani
With the world-class infrastructure with multi-purpose outdoor hall, kid play area, football ground, swimming pool, tennis court, reception and waiting lobby, classroom, science laboratory, computer lab, library, activity room, cafeteria, where your dreams will get wings. UNACO School, Maitram.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khuding makna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawiyu
September thagi GSTR 3B return file tawbagi aroiba numiti lakliba October thagi tang kundani
sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawiyu
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes Government of
Amukana taramnok chiri makhataba pao. Moirang block ke manung sanba ward number 10 da Phubala Gram Panchayat ke anirak shuba oina Gram Sabha mifam ngarang pangthokre. Thauramadu Thinumgai Jila Parishad ke member oinam Joysandra Pradhan N Ranjit amadi Upa Pradhan yauna mari leinaba video na chingba official kyana sarup yakhe. Video ke Jadumanina Panchayat ama saukhat hanbada praja miyam gi chawraba thodang lei amadi praja singna isa sa gi hak khangba mathau tai haikhi.
Kargi institute amagi makhada DTMO la kanina sigmo mayam sibu thengna na adum akoi adum chakhi gani elected on election biri ba pradhan na landam sigi daita bu biri singju sigmo mayam se thengna na adum chakhi ni support pagi mami role ta hau budu de mayek seng budu di khara watpa adum masana ta
Irengbam Gram Panchayat Nambol City Block na Sinduna Gram Panchayat asigi anirak shuba Gram Sabha mifam Panchayat asigi manung da leiba Hainok Bok Makha Community Hall da tongan ba district asigi manung da leiba department kana saruk yaduna pangthokre thoramadu da Irengbam Gram Panchayat ki pradhan Irengbam Gopen Singh TV officer Dr S Gozen Singh Horticulture Department ki S Dizendro yauna miyoi kana saruk yakhe pradhan Gopena Gram Sabha mifam asina sakha thorangi thabak kaya paikhat ka dauri bani haikhe
Sagi ward wards the lebiriba member singna aigi ward ta kumsigi sahi sigi oina aikoina hapa da bathabasi karina khwaidagi hena importance oi haidana phajara munna khana birakanda ward to gi manungda khoigi ward sabha amukana phambirakanda aroiba gram sabha da miyamna thabirakpa laikai na nainarakanda sina khwaidagi hena laikai sida hana tawgada bathabakni ani subada masini haidana miyamna khana birakanda thabirakpa adulaba khoigi laikai dugi development program adu mathangi pangthokadoriba sahi 2019-24 bugi oina aikoi numisida aikoi khana rakanda final tagadaba
Lions Club of Kanchipur International Association of Lions Club District 322D na sinduna peace poster contest ama ngasi wangkhai da leiba St. George High School da pangthokre class 6 tege 8 fawgi mairoi singa saruk yakiba thorom maduda Lions Club Kanchipur gi president L Sitol na angang singi lotuna leiriba haithoi singthoi ba adu uthok naba competition asi pangthokpani haikhi
Kuri contest ase koi sahi tarama thoi dagi na tarawum doi phawgi manung da leiba angang singi ni aduga koi na sidagi khangalagba koi first tar angang sing adu koi na district level la mu koi na thajagani adugi matung da koi na district tagi mu khalaba matung da koi gi multiple da utharani multiple dagi koi international level da mu thagani adugi international level yor matung da di koi gi madugi grand prize adugi ma dei mayam am laikre international Lions Club na PB ba koi gi kindness matter haiba team du da koi na angang sing asibu ma koi gi talent sing adu puthok chaba adugi tancha adu pijabani haijaba tare ngasi gi participant aje da ngasi angang marfu gumba participate tawi
Comrem Students Union General Headquarter gi lising ani ga tara nipan da gina lising ani ga kun mathoi fawba fampai ga daba union gi members sing asi wasak loduna thabak hokre Langol tarung da lewa Grace Academy da union gi members sing bu Comrem Union gi President Amang Sartonas wasak lokhe nauna khallaba Comrem Student Union gi President Karung Jimkomna Union asina leba ki issue kaya lakpada civil society senior citizen amadi akhang ahai sing gi pautak matung ina saruk yagani haikhi
issue da ga se pena to civil organization saminaraga student body sing saminaraga ga Comrem Student Union sumadu gi pena saruk laminaba amaga masakinaba ulak amato ina laminaba gi pandam da pena organization form da
More gate number 2 maya dagi KCP MFL gi mioi ni haiba W Kishan Kumar Kauba Nambol Isok tagi mioi ama More police ki kangbuna fare mahaki army number na summary kuntra ni thoi ni hairi Lions Club of Infal City, Lions Club of Infal Central amadi Lions Club of Infal City United ahumna punna sinduna World Side Day gi thoram ngasi Eureka Academy da pangthokre club ki president B Mohendra Pratap na mahairoi singna anok hapagi mathau tarabadi lemna pigani haikhi Linthoi ngan bi chanu kawi chahi kunmari rom surabi sekta makha lekai dagi nupi ama satkhiba tang taragi ayukta mayum dagi thokiba dagi hanjilaktre mak fit manga enchi manga wangi masapai masam sangi mak na thokiba matamda jin khongrau amuba ama setkhi t-shirt amuba ama litkhi kanagumba singna nupi ase thengnabi rabadi manak nakpa police station da pau pibiu hairi Loshilak padamaroi ba pau amuka na pizari Haithoi singthoi rabana ha kaya puthokuna ek is policy kana ba mapung pana lohona ba hona ba tangai phate haina governor Dr Nazma Heptulan haikre amadi BJP na lenga pa state singi manung da chief minister N Birena khwaidagi faba chief minister ni haina India Today gi political stock exchange ki report na hairi Meeting tabiri ba singbu amuka na khurumsari